Once again we do so good breakfast or any kind of food for today. But now this is our breakfast. We have done this kind of food so many times that now we want to put this on video. Video to this stuff, but this is so great that I want to speak. What is this? You can maybe also try this one. The basic of this fantastic breakfast or baby food even or something is firstly durian. This is not necessary. If you can use durian, it's very good. You can also use banana or papaya, something instead of durian. Every time you get a little bit different flavor, but we like this. This is so oily and creamy and milky and tasty and protein and everything. We use durian. We put one durian like this, then we put 3 avocados, ready soft avocados, and usually we use like young coconut meat, but this time we use like about 1 hour ago shredded, like powdered or shredded coconut meat. This is still wet and everything. Little bit older coconut this time, but usually young coconut, but this is okay also. Firstly putting all this together and you make sauce, then you throw cacao powder in. Cacao powder, and it's almost ready in this time, but we want it to be more sweet, so we put Madhu Asli. Madhu Asli means original honey. This honey is collected from the jungle here in Indonesia. They collect it in jungle. They freshly squeeze it with hands and don't boil it. That's why we have cap like this, or if I seal this up, this will because this makes pressure here inside. This kind of very good honey. And then it's almost too good in this time. Then we use more cacao. We like cacao, so we have this kind of cacao beans, very big ones. Now we peel these cacao beans, we open the skins. Then there is, I don't know, can you see in with camera, violet color inside. Best cacao beans what I have seen in a long time. We open this, we make like nibs, cacao nibs, small pieces of this, and throw there. And if you want to do a little bit better, like we also did, we put cinnamon, little bit cinnamon powder, and then real sea salt, just a little bit salt, and that's it. It's already very good like that, but I want to do even better, and I put bee pollen. Now it's very good. Very good. Like this. Simple way. Durian, avocado, coconut meat mixed together with some great honey. That's also very great baby food, I think. All this together. Maybe without cacao nibs, and then it's ready for babies too. But this is now for big babies. I concentrate now to eating. So you can try this if you like. If you don't like, don't try. I don't care. But I try. Good for this morning. Maybe I also wake up soon.